Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hey, how you doing, man?
All right, man.
Oh, this is pretty good. I like this. This is cool. You built this?
Yeah.
Nice job.
4 Death Bounce 18s, the DB3.
Okay.
I got two 20Ks, 2 alternators, one 370, one 390.
Okay.
One's a Brand X, one's a JS.
All right. Nice. And a 6th order?
6th order.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the tunings on it?
25 and 55.
All right. Wow. It looks like it gets windy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it gets windy.
190 amp hour C-Max.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you ever do any SPL tests?
157.
157?
Yeah.
All right. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, very happy.
Oh yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
That's good. These are really beefy subs.
Yeah, man.
Nice job.
For Death Bounce, you know.
Yeah, definitely, really good. Are these 3.5s or 4? 3.5s. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Can I see the back too? I'm gonna look. Appreciate it. Amps are on the side?
Yeah, sure.
I wish you would have got this stick moving, man. Hold on. I'll get you a hitter one time.
No spaghetti at the bottom, but it's all
It's all good, man. Do you have any other amps on the other side too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got processors and amps.
Okay.
I said it's spaghetti works.
It's all right. You don't see it here, only there, so you're good. I understand. Looks good. A lot of wire work.
Yeah.
Get it fine-tuned. You see all of that work.
Yeah,
Nice
it's
job.
crazy because I know exactly what everything is.
Exactly.
So,
Yep. Good job. Thank you very much.
man.
Good to see you.
I'm James.
Oh yeah, James, Jacob.
All right, James.
All right, James.
I watch your video.
Oh, you did? Appreciate it watching. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Looks good.
You want something low?
Yeah, man, windy lows. Yeah. doing good.
Yeah, they take it pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Cruise on 22s.
It's gonna be a shit creamer. It's DJ Rusticles. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things have been. The way that what you think that I'm the one, I'm the master of my soul, the master of my I was broken into the masses, whims for the few that look me, shook me, feeling me, singing from heart. From the veins, spitting from the brain, singing to the